it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got a cute little mini Fat Quarter Shop box. Now, they didn't send it to me in their normal packaging. I don't think I've gotten one of their regular boxes in quite some time. Did they do away with them? Does anybody know? Are you guys still getting the pretty colorful Fat Quarter Shop boxes when you place your orders? Or are we just on to brown boxes now? It's fine either way. It's what's inside that counts, right? All right. I've got paper and invoice. All right. Ooh. Here we go, right on the top. I got one of Lori Holt's books. This is Farm Girl Vintage, the first one. And that's actually a pretty thick book. And it's actually spiral bound too, which is really nice because, oh my goodness, I wish more quilt books came spiral bound so that they can lay flat when you are using them. That's awesome. And you can see it's got all of these little sampler blocks in it. And of course, there's a strawberry block. Yay! That was part of their sale that they're doing for January, where all of the Fat Quarter Shop branded stuff happens to be like 30% off or something. And this, although it's Lori Holt, it is put out by Fat Quarter Shop. At least that's my understanding, because it says It's So Emma on the back. All right. Oh boy. Now this is just a small order that I put in because they were doing a freebie and I'm a sucker for freebies. So especially when it's one that I've already had my eye on and stuff that I use. So let's get into the stuff that I ordered and then I'll show you the freebie stuff. Now, these are extra floss that I got for the Fabulous House. I'm working on the January one and I was getting kind of close to using up that teal, Milady's teal. And I figured if I'm putting in an order anyways, I might as well make sure that I have enough and I don't want to run out. And I did the same thing with the next. I figured if I'm getting this close with the specialty flosses, I want to make sure that I have an extra one on hand. And you can't get enough green anyway, so it's okay if it just ends up being extra. I got 2 different types of needles that I haven't tried before. I've heard really good things about this Pony Black brand, and they just happened to come back into stock, so I grabbed one. And the other one is Mary Arden, which I've heard a little bit about, but not a whole lot. So if you know anything about either of those types, tell me your experiences, please. Now the freebie. Okay. Should I save the big part till the end or do the little bits first? I'll do the big part first. So they had this bag as a freebie, and it was, I was gonna say stuffed with stuff, but it's not because the stuff is all separate in the box. But it's stuff to, I guess, pack your bag with. And the last time they had this bag as a freebie, I missed out. And I missed out because I had placed my order the day before they offered it. And I was like, oh, great. But it came back up, and this time actually came with additional items. So I got it. It's got the little heart on both sides. And now I have an extra project bag, which I was really wanting to have. And it came with an extra pack of line keepers. So, which is good because I guess after a while of opening and closing these, they actually start, the magnetic part starts to kind of split on the side. So it'll be good to update that with a new one. And it came with this little charm for clipping. Oop! I thought it was attached. It's not. It came with this little tag that says XOXO, although it's really more X heart, X heart. And that's just for clipping onto your zipper, make it easier to grab a hold of. So, yay. And last but not least, an extra thing of the Valentine's floss drops, which again, I was needing floss drops before, so now I'll have a little bit of a stockpile to go through and finish putting floss on all of them and getting my wall set up, which I can't wait to share with you guys once I have that done. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.